Happy morning to all. Welcome to Grade 1 Assembly. Our theme is self-discipline, Suya Olukam, silent prayer. தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டனிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
School song by Asvika. School song by Asvika. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. He shapes my figure, inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. The flames of Shri Shakti will lead me on the path. The flames of Shri Shakti will lead me on the path of virtue, wisdom and truth. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. Thank you. Pledge by Naveen Surya.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pledge.
Pledge.
India is
India is
my country.
my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers or sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
I am proud of
I am proud of
its rich
its rich
and varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be
try to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and our elders
respect
respect
and
and
treat everyone
treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion
I pledge my devotion.
in their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity
and prosperity,
alone lies
our lives,
my happiness.
my happiness.
Thank you.
Thank you. Theme-based speech by class teacher.
Happy morning to all. Our topic is self-discipline. Self-discipline is having control over oneself. It provides control over reactions, actions, and oneself. It boosts a person's inner strength. Self-discipline is the most important skill a person should possess. One of the main attributes of self-discipline is its ability to abdicate immediate pleasure and gratification. Self-discipline does not necessarily mean to live a controlled or restrictive lifestyle, but to have control over oneself. It gives a person the power to make the right decisions despite temptations and achieve goals. Furthermore, the skill manifests as inner strength, leading to strong willpower and overcoming procrastination, laziness, addictions, etc. I would like to conclude with the thought: all successes begin with self-discipline. It starts with you. All successes begin with self-discipline. It starts with you. Dwayne Johnson. Thank you.
Let's watch some self-disciplined activities of grade 1 children. After reading, I unarranged my books. Thank you. Mahadev. Self-discipline means self-control. All success behave with self-discipline. As the children behave with self-discipline. Thank you. When there is no one in the room, we should off the fan and light. Thank you. should not waste the water. Close properly. Meditation helps to develop self-discipline. I arrange my books in their places. I keep my toys in cupboard. I help my parents to clean. I have to. I have play and character. No.
Very good.
I am Abdul Jassar. I am studying first standard. She Shakti International School. Self-discipline, maturity, daily drawing. Towards the best in the speed. What in the pen? Really your shoes on the sand. Hi, I'm Inian from grade 1 self-discipline activities. Inian, come for playing. No, I first finish my homework. After I play with you. Okay. First of all, we should complete our homework. Then only we should go for play. Thank you. We should put the paper in the dustbin. It is a self-discipline. Thank you. I am Ashtika. After every class, I will clean my table. We should keep our place clean. We should do this by ourselves. Thank you. We should be a responsible citizen. अक्षरा श्री। मेरे नाम अक्षरा श्री है। आज का विचार आत्म अनुशासन। अनुशासन विपत्ति की पाठशाला में सीखा जाता है। महात्मा गांधी। English meaning of the thought. Discipline is learned in the school of adversity. Thank you. धन्यवाद. Tamil taught by Ritika. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்றைய தமிழ் சிந்தனை. ஒழுக்கம் என்பது சொல்கின்றபடி நடப்பதும் நடந்தபடி சொல்வதுமே ஒழிய தனிப்பட்ட குணம் அல்ல. ஒருவன் தன்னிடம் பிறர் எப்படி நடந்து கொள்ள வேண்டுமென எதிர்பார்க்கிறானோ அப்படி எல்லாரிடமும் தான் நடந்து கொள்வதே ஒழுக்கம். அனைவருக்கும் நன்றி. Today's news by Kayal and Vinayak Magadev.
Happy morning to all. Today's news, international news. Friends Uniters visit Taiwan despite China protests. National news. SSI aims to include kids age 2 to 6 in vaccine trial in a month. Thank you.
Sports news. Indian hockey team withdrew its participation in Commonwealth Games due to COVID-19 situation. Weather forecast. Partially cloudy. Temperature 33 degree Celsius. Humidity 66%. Wind 6 to 18 km per hour. Precipitation 10%. Thank you. It's time for quiz. Let us see how responsible and self-disciplined we are.
Happy morning, children. Let us play a quiz on the topic self-discipline. Which of these is an example of having self-discipline? Saving the pocket money to buy something you want. Spending your money as soon as you get it. Eating a whole box of candy all at once. Looking for a way to avoid doing your chores. The answer is saving the pocket money to buy something you want. If you have a big project to do for school, which of the following would be the way that someone with self-discipline would do? Work on the project a little bit each day so that it is done in plenty of time. Wait to do the project the night before it's due. Ask your parents to help you do the project to get a good grade. Forget to do the project and ask the teacher if you can turn it in late. Answer is work on the project a little bit each day so that it is done in plenty of time. If you sign up for the basketball team, which of the following should you do to be responsible and show self-discipline? Go to every practice and game. Go to the games when you can and skip the practices if you have something else to do. Go to some of the games and some of the practices, but only if your homework is done. Quit the team after a few games because you have decided it's too much work. Answer is go to every practice and game. What does the word responsibility mean? Completing the work on time, Submitting the work after the assigned time. Never submitting the work. Copying the work from your friend. The right answer is completing the work on time. You find bits of papers in your classroom. Which option do you choose to be self-disciplined? You would take those bits and put it in the dustbin. You take the papers and put it in the ground. You take those papers and put it in others' place. You just move away from the place. The right answer is you would take those bits and put it in the dustbin. Thank you, children.
Time for appreciation.
It's time for appreciating the stars of grade 1. 100% attendance. Inian Shashti. Innovative thinker. Ritika Aksharasri. Bumblebee to Caterpillar. Sailesh, Sanjeev, Sahityan, Kirshita, Kritisha, Rakshanetra. Congratulations for your improvement, children. We hope your improvement grows. The homework stars. They have never missed any of the homeworks. Navin Surya, Vinayak Mahadev, Sailesh, Ritika and Kayal. Busy bees. Kabila, Inian and Kayal. We can never see them sitting simply. Even when the question is asked for others, they just kindly mute their audio and give answers. Otherwise, they start reading the stories. As diligent as an ant, Hasini. Finally, the all-rounder is Ashwika. Congratulations for all your well-deserved successes.
Vice Chairman's address. Let's hear some valuable words from him. Brain Yoga. 1, 2,